Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best house cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a spotless home. From tackling stubborn stains to eliminating germs, the right cleaner can transform your living space. With so many options available, choosing the perfect house cleaner can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explore the best house cleaners, helping you find the ideal product to keep your home sparkling. Number 5. Lysol Mango and Hibiscus All-Purpose Cleaner Spray. This all-purpose cleaner eliminates 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including the COVID-19 virus. It helps keep your family safe and protected. You can trust it to disinfect your home. The cleaner kills 99.9% of germs, effectively removing soap scum and cutting through tough grease and grime. It's a versatile, multi-purpose cleaner that you can rely on for a thorough clean. It's designed for use on various hard, non-porous surfaces throughout your home. This includes counters, sinks, stovetops, cabinets, appliance exteriors, high chairs, and even bathtubs and showers. It's a true multi-surface solution. This Lysol cleaner provides powerful cleaning and disinfecting without the harshness of bleach. It offers effective cleaning power without the strong chemical smell or potential for damage. This all-purpose cleaner offers fast-acting sanitization, allowing you to kill 99.9% of bacteria quickly. It's a convenient way to keep your home clean and sanitized in a flash. It provides the disinfection you trust, while leaving behind a refreshing tropical mango and hibiscus scent. You'll love the clean and inviting fragrance it leaves in your home. Use it as a kitchen cleaner, stovetop cleaner, tile cleaner, sink cleaner, bathtub cleaner, and wall cleaner. It's designed to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks throughout your home. What we like. This cleaner kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, ensuring a healthy home environment. It is also a multi-surface cleaner, making it incredibly versatile for all your cleaning needs. Plus, the tropical fragrance leaves a refreshing scent. If you are looking for a cleaner that disinfects and leaves a pleasant smell, you should consider this one. What people say. It got rid of the greasy film on my stove without a ton of scrubbing and even cleaned up the dried-on toothpaste my kids leave in the bathroom sink. It eliminates odors, leaves a fresh scent, and gives me peace of mind knowing that surfaces are clean and disinfected. It dries quickly and doesn't leave any sticky residue. Number 4. Better Life All-Purpose Cleaner, 2-pack, Unscented. This cleaner is designed to tackle tough messes. It effectively removes scuff marks, spills, and grease, leaving surfaces sparkling. It's a great solution for a clean home. Use this cleaner throughout your home. It's perfect for walls, floors, countertops, and bathrooms. It cuts through grime and grease with ease, making cleaning simple. This cleaner is made without harsh chemicals. It's gentle on your eyes, nose, and skin. You can feel good about using it around your family and pets. This product is made with plant-derived ingredients. It's designed to be kinder to the environment and safer for your loved ones. Choose a cleaner that cares. For best results, simply spray and wipe. It's ideal for quick cleanups in homes with pets, children, or high traffic. Make cleaning a breeze with this product. What we like. This cleaner is made with plant-derived elements, making it gentle on your skin and the environment. It effectively cleans various surfaces throughout your home. If you have pets or children, or if you prefer eco-friendly products, this is a great choice. What people say. This is all we use for sanitizing our kitchen. This is gentle enough that it doesn't but also cleans well. It smells good, not like harmful chemicals that you fear will peel off your skin. Number 3. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner 750 ml. Introducing a powerful cleaner designed to make your bathroom sparkle. This product is specially formulated to cut through grime and leave surfaces spotless with minimal effort. The easy-to-use foam spray clings to surfaces, maximizing contact time. Simply spray it on, let it work its magic, and wipe it clean. It's perfect for tiles, sinks, tubs, showers, and even toilet exteriors. This product is your all-in-one solution for a sparkling clean bathroom. Say goodbye to stubborn limescale and soap scum. This cleaner effectively removes hard water stains, leaving surfaces shiny and clean without harsh scrubbing. Achieve a streak-free, polished finish on all your bathroom surfaces. This product ensures a spotless, gleaming bathroom after every use. Enjoy a fresh and clean-smelling bathroom with every use. This product leaves a pleasant fragrance that enhances the overall cleanliness. Despite its powerful cleaning capabilities, it's gentle on surfaces. You can use it safely on delicate bathroom fixtures and fittings without worry. What we like. This bathroom foam cleaner is specially formulated to remove limescale and soap scum, leaving your bathroom surfaces sparkling. It provides a streak-free shine and a pleasant fresh scent. If you are struggling with hard water stains and want a spotless, gleaming bathroom, you should consider this. What people say. I sprayed it on, waited about a minute and used a green scrub sponge. I didn't even need to scrub. The soap scum somehow had disintegrated. It worked so amazing and so effortlessly. Again, I'm a lazy cleaner. It did the work, I just wiped and buffed, and the change was amazing. This stuff wiped out almost 90% of 15 years worth of hard water deposits in my shower. I sprayed it on, let it sit for 5 minutes, then came back with my electric scrubber and a green pad, went to work with light pressure and the hard water deposits were almost gone. Even the glass shower doors are clean. Number 2. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Ultimate Cleaning Bundle. This bundle includes everything you need for a sparkling clean home. It features the Pink Stuff paste, multi-purpose spray, bathroom foam spray, and cream cleaner. This is an all-in-one solution for all your cleaning needs. The Pink Stuff is designed to easily remove tough dirt and grime. It's perfect for tackling grease and other stubborn messes. It makes cleaning fast and effective. This bundle is ideal for use in kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor spaces. You can use it on countertops, sinks, showers, walls, and even BBQs. It's a versatile cleaner for various surfaces. The Pink Stuff is safe for use on ceramic, glass, stainless steel, and porcelain. It's designed to clean without causing any damage. You can trust it to keep your surfaces looking their best. The miracle formula does the hard work for you, reducing the need for intense scrubbing. It helps you achieve professional quality results with less effort. It makes cleaning easier than ever. This bundle provides everything you need to keep your home sparkling. It reduces the need for multiple cleaning products. It's the ultimate cleaning solution for your home. What we like. This bundle includes multiple cleaning products to tackle all your household cleaning needs. It easily removes tough dirt and grime from various surfaces. It is also safe for use on ceramic, glass, stainless steel, and more. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to keep your home sparkling, you should consider this. What people say. The spray nozzles have excellent coverage and control, making cleaning quick and efficient without wasting product. Stubborn stains that I've battled for years, gone within minutes. The bottles are sturdy and easy to store, and the paste lasts ages. Cleaning power is where this product truly shines. Grime, soap scum, grease, you name it, it melts away without damaging surfaces. Number 1. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This is the Pink Stuff, the miracle all-purpose cleaning paste. It's designed to tackle tough stains and grime. It delivers sparkling results on various surfaces. This paste is perfect for kitchen and bathroom surfaces, tiles, glass, and stainless steel. It's your go-to cleaner for almost any household mess. The Pink Stuff is tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. It removes stubborn stains without scratching or damaging, leaving surfaces spotless and shiny. Simply apply a small amount to a damp cloth or sponge. Rub gently, and rinse away for a clean and polished finish. It's ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. The Pink Stuff leaves your home not only spotless but also smelling great. It has a delightful rhubarb fragrance. What we like. This cleaning paste is designed to tackle tough stains and grime effortlessly. It is versatile and effective on various surfaces, leaving them spotless and shiny. Plus, it has a pleasant rhubarb fragrance. If you like a cleaner that smells great and is easy to use, you should consider this. What people say. It consists of 99% natural ingredients, so I viewed it as environmentally friendly. It is a mild abrasive paste cleaner and it works well, is not messy, and does not leave either a film or scratches on clean surfaces. The paste is easy to apply and spreads well, and a little goes a long way. It really lifts dirt and leaves surfaces looking fresh, shiny, and almost like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.